Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how can I pay off student loans quickly. For many recent graduates, student loan can be a heavy burden that significantly affects their financial stability and puts off important life milestones like starting a family or purchasing a home. Paying off student loans fast calls for a planned strategy, responsible money practices, and occasionally inventing thinking. In this video, I will examine numerous strategies to assist you in repaying your student loans more quickly and reaching financial independence quicker. The first thing is understand your loans. Know your loan types and terms. To begin, compile all the details relating to your student loans, such as the kinds, federal or private, interest rates, terms of payment, and any extra like grace periods or deferral possibilities. Having this important information is essential to designing a successful repayment strategy. Identify high interest loans. Pay off the loans with the highest interest rates first as a priority. The avalanche approach, which employs this strategy, reduces the overall interest paid over the course of the loan. Second thing is create a budget and stick to it. Tracking your expenses to keep track of your monthly income and expenses. Create a precise budget. Find places where you can make savings, then redirect those dollars towards paying down your student loans. Automate payments. Establish automatic loan payments for your education. In addition to guaranteeing that you never miss a payment, this can lower the interest rate on several government loans. Live below your means. Live a more frugal lifestyle by cutting back on discretionary purchases. This could entail cutting back on eating out, resisting impulse purchases, and looking for inexpensive entertainment options. The third thing is increase your income. Find a side hustle. Think about starting a side business or part time employment. Freelancing, teaching, and gig economy work like food delivery or ride sharing driving are popular choices. Seek overtime or promotions. Work more hours, or if you can, pursue advancement at your current position. You can pay down your student loan debt directly with an extra money you earn. Sell unneeded items. Sell any gadgets, clothes, or furnishing that you no longer use or need. Sites such as Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and eBay can assist you in turning unwanted goods into income. The fourth thing is utilize loan repayment programs. Income driven repayment plans. Income driven repayment programs for federal student loans set a monthly payment cap based on a portion of your discretionary income. These repayment options may lengthen the repayment duration, but they can temporarily free up funds for savings or further payments. Public Service Loan Forgiveness. You can be qualified for PL, PSLF, Public Service Loan Forgiveness, if you work for a recognized nonprofit or in the public sector. You can have the remaining balance on your loan forgiven after you have made 120 qualifying payments. Employer repayment assistance programs. Assistance with repaying student loans is a perk offered by some employers. To find out whether you qualify for this benefit, check with your HR department. The fifth thing is make extra payments. Adding windfalls to your loans, make additional student loan payments using any windfalls such as tax returns, bonuses, or gifts. The amount of interest you pay over time and your principal balance can both be considerably decreased by these lump sum payments. Make bi-weekly payments. Divide your payment in half and pay every 2 weeks rather than all at once. This results in an additional payment per year, which lowers interest and helps you pay off your loans more quickly. The sixth thing is refinance your loans. Lower your interest rate. Your interest rate may drop if you refinance your student loans, which would lessen the total cost of your debt. This is especially advantageous for government loans with high interest rates or private loans. Combine multiple loans. By combining several loans into one, refinancing makes it easier to settle your debt, but use caution when refinancing with a private lender, as you may lose the perks of your government loan. The seventh thing is stay motivated and seek support. Set clear goals. Establish attainable targets for repaying your college loans. Having a goal will help you stay motivated, whether it's a deadline or an annual payment objective. Join support groups. Make connections with those who are repaying their school loans, online or off. Support groups can offer accountability, advice, and motivation. Celebrate milestones. Celebrate and acknowledge your advancements, giving yourself a reward when you accomplish a goal like paying off a debt or lowering your balance by a specific amount will help you stay motivated. Detailed strategies for accelerating student loan repayment. Utilize lump sum payments. One of the biggest ways to lower your loan principal and interest is to make lump sum payments. A few methods to produce lump sum payments are as follows. Tax refunds. Put the amount of your yearly tax refund towards the remainder of your student loans. Bonuses. Add performance bonuses or labor bonuses directly to your loan payments. Gifts and inheritance. Utilize any money received as gifts or inheritance to cover a big expense. Optimize your repayment plan. Selecting the appropriate repayment plan might have a significant impact. Think about the following. Standard repayment plan. For a maximum of 10 years, this plan has set monthly payments that will usually result in a reduction in interest over time. Graduate repayment plan. If you anticipate an increase in your salary, the payments may be advantageous as they begin low and climb every 2 years. Extended repayment plan. Fixed or graduate payments, which decrease monthly payments but raise the total amount of interest paid over a 25-year period are also an option. Automate and round up payments. Automatic payments. Many loan services offer a discount for setting up automatic payments. This can reduce your interest rate by 0.25% in some cases. Round up payments. Round up your payments to the nearest $100. For example, if your payment is 257, round it up to 300. The extra amount goes directly to the principal, reducing your loan balance faster. Leveraging your career for loan repayment. Income-driven repayment forgiveness after 20 to 25 years of qualifying payments. Any remaining balance on income-driven repayment plans may be forgiven. Note that this forgiven amount may be taxable. Military service. The military offers various student loan repayment programs. Each branch has its own eligibility requirements and benefits. Teacher loan forgiveness. Teachers in low-income schools or educational service agencies may qualify for up to $17,500 in loan forgiveness. Side hustles and additional income stream. In today's gig economy, there are countless opportunities to earn extra income. Freelancing. Use skills like writing, graphic design, or programming to take on freelance projects. Tutoring. Offering tutoring services in subjects you excel at. Gig economy jobs. Drive for Uber or Lyft, deliver for DoorDash or Uber Eats, or offer handyman services on TaskRabbit. Financial management and savings. Effective financial management can free up more money for loan repayment. Emergency fund. Maintaining an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, preventing you from diverting loan payments to cover emergencies. The debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest loan first to gain momentum and motivation, then move on to the next smallest loan. The debt avalanche method. Focus on paying off loans with the highest interest rates first to save on interest costs. Psychological and motivational techniques. Visualization and affirmation. Visualize debt-free life. Regularly visualize your life without student loans. Imagine the freedom and opportunities that will come with being debt-free. Affirmations. Use specific affirmations to reinforce your commitment to paying off your loans. The role of mental health in loan repayment. Paying off student loans can be stressful and take a toll on your mental health. It is important to manage stress effectively. Stress management techniques. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress. Professional help. If you are feeling overwhelmed, consider speaking to a financial advisor or mental health professional. In conclusion, I would say paying off student loans quickly is a challenging but achievable goal. By understanding your loans, creating a solid budget, increasing your income, utilizing repayment programs, making extra payments, refinancing, and staying motivated, you can significantly reduce your debt burden. Remember, every extra dollar you put towards your student loans brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Stay focused, be disciplined, and celebrate your progress along the way. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.